Hey guys, it's me, Robotics here with another video for you guys, and in today's video, we are going to be playing some Phantom Forces. So yeah, today I am dressed up as your favorite yellow soldier man. So yeah, just said I'm going to be using the shotgun because that's the best gun I got. Okay, oh, we're on the new map. So yeah, guys, tell me if you guys play Phantom Forces. I do, so if you guys ever see me in a game, be sure to tell me. Oh, well, that wasn't really a snipe. Okay, let's reload. Okay. That was weird. I was about to shoot that. Slam dunk. I hate when it does do that. It does always make me think there's a person there willing to shoot me. Just imagine if the servers never reset. Just imagine how many bodies there'll be everywhere. How about we see what this guy has? Oh, the Mac 10. I don't really like the Mac 10. Come on. Give me a guy that needs to be shot. Come on. I want to see some guys who want to get into war right now. Aren't we supposed to be soldiers? Aren't we soldiers? Right there. Come on. Follow me. Follow me. He's not following. Oh, come on. I died. How about we try out another gun? One that I have. We could try out this one, or the one. Ooh, we could try out this one. I don't really use this one, or my M4. Oh, M4. Sorry that you guys are hearing this. This is my keyboard. Come on, just reloading. Cause I love the animation. Just look at it. Like, look at this animation. Yes, I got him. You did all the work, sir. Oh, come on, you know what? I'm switching to another gun. Yay, we won! So guys, I'll be back once another game has begun. Guys, the next round is about to begin. Yeah, I kind of made a mistake. I forgot to unpause the video. Great. So, yeah, I'm going to play one more round of this and then end the video. I'm right now using another shotgun. I find the shotguns are great. I know this one looks weird. That's because I tried to make it look like a dirt party. So, like, it's just a bunch of dirt throwing a party. So, don't judge me. Okay. I own that glass now. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Coming. Look at this stuff. Coming now. Oh, come on. I didn't realize he was there. I thought he was coming from the other side. How about we put on some other weapons? Because this one actually does a one-hit kill, I found out today. So how about... No, I don't want this gun. I want this one. Yes. How about this one? Yeah, I don't really use this one that much. So, this gun I don't use at all. Like, literally. Wow, this gun sounds good, so I'm thinking it's gonna do a bunch of damage. Alright, let's do it. Let's go down the other... Let's go over here. I think this is where the other team's supposed to spawn. No, this is where some of them spawn. Come on, someone just pop in there. No one. Like, literally nobody. Is it over here, maybe? I don't know. This gun seems to have a bunch of upgrades, so I'm thinking it does good damage. Because usually once it does like one hit kills or so, I just use it a lot. And by a lot I mean all the time. You startled me, sir. Like literally I have no words for the heart attack you gave me. Ah, come on! They didn't notice that I was behind them? Jeez! I was making so much noise. You know what? How about we go recon and grab a battle rifle or something? Oh, I don't have any. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. What about the Henry? Okay, that's amazing. Scar. Okay, I need to level up. Like, oh my gosh, this sniper I need. Okay, just gonna calm myself down. I'm gonna add some attachments to my shotgun. Gonna add the laser. Gonna add the vertical grip. Gonna add that because I think it does more damage. Opticals. I'll just put this and we'll go. What is that giant box in the sky? Like, I don't know, so you guys just go ahead and tell me. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna use this. There's someone there. Look at this gun. Crap, why do I keep clicking that? But I mean to click H. Look at this gun. Better do some good damage. Okay, let's see anyone here? No. Okay. Anyone in here? No. Okay, I love this gun. I love it. But this gun does good damage as well, so. Sir, I hope you don't mind. I'm taking your gun. For the rest of your life, I'm taking the gun. Come on, I can't get back up there. I remember getting up there so many times. That's actually one good way to get money. Just like go over this sometimes and you just gain money. I mean, you just gain experience. So you guys level up fast when you do this. You're getting like $10 every time you do a circle. This is actually a good way to get experience. Grab. I should stop doing this. But while I do this, I'm just gonna gain a bunch of XP. Infinite XP here. Kind of looking for these guys here. No, nobody's coming apparently. You know, I'm just gonna run around, cause like literally. I'm not gonna waste so much time getting XP through my method. Like literally, I saw no one on YouTube do that method before. Go. I've never actually been on this side. Come on, I want to shoot someone. I know that's a weird thing to say, but it's true. I just want to shoot someone with this gun. Come on. Let's go out and here and just go up. Ah, come on! You know, I'm gonna see what that gun is. Weapon outlet. Let me go back here and look it up. Oh, I think it's like an AK-47 or something. But I know you don't get those until later in the game. Jeez. Is it AK-12? Yes, it is. So, guys, by the way, I'm going to be doing a new series coming up for you guys. I forgot the name of the game, but it's still a Roblox game. I will also be doing a Pokemon Brick Bronze, maybe. But I'm going to have to do that on a different account because, yeah. What? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it on a different account because I bought stuff with Robux on my regular account, on my main account. So, yeah, you guys understand. I don't want to lose that because, like, I already have Mega Evolve Pokemon on that, and you know what? I might do it. I might do it. Yeah, this is actually the gun. Jeez. That's mine. Meaning he would have gone up here. Oh, and guys, I'm very sorry if you're hearing like a sound in the background. That's just my fan. Like literally, like I'm living in a hot country. Like I'm not like my body is not like used to hot temperatures. I find because like when I'm in a hot room, like in the next minute or whatever. Oh, come on. This gun does good damage, but still. Wait, the MK11, that's what he's using. Why is everyone using that? Let me see what skins I have for this gun. I'm gonna be doing a case opening, maybe. Huh. Oh, let me see. Anyone want some brown? Submit trade. Okay, what do I get? Ah, something from my S file. So now I can do this. And this. Oh crap, I can't do that. Oh, so this is like the crafting mechanism. Ah, that's nice. Ah, so this is like a good way. Yeah. I'll probably keep doing this. This is a good way. Ah, I don't think I have this gun yet. Done. Done, done. And I'm leaving that for my M9. So, yeah. Come on, give me like a blue or something. For my AK-12, I wish it went further. For that blue. AK-12, is that what I'm using right now? With an outlet? Yeah, I'm right now using the AK-12. How weird is that? Okay. Okay, now it kind of looks cooler. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video off soon. Wait, is that? Oh, come on. So, guys, I'm gonna have to end off the video now. I just realized what time it is. So, guys, I'm just gonna have to end off the video here. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe.